I'm Joy Crump, and we are in the Dr. Yum Project Kitchen, and today we are going to learn how to mince garlic. And if I tried to list all the things that you can use garlic for, we'd be here all day. We don't have all day, do we? But you could use them. It's a great seasoning for everything. Soups, stews, salsas, sauces, not just Italian food anymore. So let's get the whole family to join in on the fun so we can start cooking. All right, so garlic, it looks kind of weird in the grocery store, and you said it yourself, it's got this paper, and it sounds like paper, right? It's on the outside. So the first thing you want to do, this is the part that you use, and then the stuff on the outside is the part that you don't use. So the best thing to do is get rid of that first, right? So I'm going to use a super sharp knife, and I cut that paper off right there, and that shows you all the little cloves that are inside. This is called a bulb. These are called cloves. When we get to the part where we're smashing, that's when the real fun starts, okay? So we take these little stinky guys out of there, and each one of these is still covered with paper, so we're not done yet. So here's what you're gonna do. I'm gonna put this here, I'm gonna put a knife on top of it, and you're gonna whack it. And I mean, you're gonna whack it really good, okay? I'm gonna show you one first, ready? They're like this, whack, and then you can peel the paper right off, okay? All right, so you're going to do it. Here's that. Here's this bad boy. Ready? I'm going to hold this part. You're going to whack. Yeah, that was perfect. That was perfect. See that? And the paper's going to smooth. It's going to come right off. Why'd you set me up like that? Okay, there it is. Comes right off. You want to do it? You want to give it a little wacky? No, thank you. It's going to make your hands stinky. You want to do it? Come on, just a little try. I'm not gonna force you if you don't want to, but I promise it'll be fun. We'll get you a little one. Okay? I'm gonna hold this, and all you're gonna do is whack it. Okay? Just give it a try. Yes! Love it. You got it started. She did the hard part. I'm gonna do it one more time. Boom. Whack. There it is. Now all those papers come off. All right, so guys, once we have the papers off, we have to mince it. And if you look up mince in the dictionary, if you want to know what it means make something that's big, tiny. Make it tiny, teeny tiny. Because I'll tell you what, while garlic is yummy and all those things I said, you don't want to bite down on a big piece of garlic. You won't have any friends. It's stinky. So we're going to mince it. And all we have to do is start at the beginning and make it small. So I'm going to show you how. I got my cat's claw. That means you hold your hand like that, and that means no matter what, I'm never going to cut my fingers, okay? I'm always going to keep my little fingertips hidden. So here we go. There we go. I cut it into little pieces, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to cut it again into little pieces. Now, I'm not going to make you do it because you're going to be smelly for the rest of the day, but it's covered in this stuff that's sticky. Look at that. Here's the best way to keep it from sticking to everything. Take a little bit of salt and sprinkle it on there. Will you give me a little bit more salt?
I will.
All right. Sprinkle it right on there. Perfect. Excellent. There you go. Now, I'm just going to keep mincing. Ready? And I smash it, and then I mince some more. And I smash it. Now can you smell it? Can you smell it's a little bit stinky? Tiny bit? Little bit?
I can
Yeah.
smell it a whole lot.
You can smell it you can smell it a whole lot. That's why I don't have a lot of friends. Okay. Look at that. Smash it. Now it's staying put, right? Mince a little bit more. One more time. Smash it.
And then some more.
And a little bit more, buddy. And that's it.
And now we need a little bit more salt on it.
Well, I mean, we might need a little bit more when we start doing our cooking later. The point is, it's fun to get everybody together in the kitchen. Thanks a lot. And now we've got some minced garlic. Thanks, you guys. Give me a slap. Give me a slap. Perfect.